Thanks for joining us here at learnhowtodance.com. We are doing some open break arm styling. All right, I'm here with Katie Bolin. What's up, Katie?
What's up?
How you doing?
Good.
You ready to roll? All right, so let's go ahead and do a quick demonstration of these open break arm styling, and then we're gonna break it down for you. All right, here we go. So let's go ahead and break it down, okay? We're gonna start with a crossbody lead, all right? But on 7, we're gonna kind of open up our bodies a little bit. So watch us first, okay? We do 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 7. So notice how on 7, I get my right foot, and instead of stepping forward like I would normally do at the end of a crossbody lead, I'm gonna go 5, 6, and 7, and open my chest a little bit to the right. I'm gonna stop my leg a little short, okay? And Katie is also, when she steps back, she's going to do her regular step back on 7. Open up my chest. She's going to open up hers also. So what this does, it gives you a more broader stance. This is a move that's done a lot in performances. So when we're kind of open up, we're kind of showing ourselves to the audience. Okay? But we can also do it in social dancing. So let's try that together, okay? We're going to do a crossbody lead. On 7, guys, open your chest a little bit to the right. Ladies, open your chest to the left. All right, here we go. Crossbody lead, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. All right, so she's back on her left, I'm on my right foot, but we're both kind of opened up. All right, also what we're gonna do on 7, we have our arm, and our free arm, and guys, that's your right hand. You're gonna kind of bring it up here on 7. And ladies, with your left hand, you're gonna have your hand on 7. So this is kind of our position on 7 together. We're opened up our chest, and we have our free arm kind of up in the air. All right, let's turn this way so you can kind of see that. All right, so once again on 7, we are and 7, like this. So let's do it one more time together. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so now we're going to do that open break step. All right, so guys, on 1, what we are doing, we're getting our left hand, and we are kind of extending it fully all the way through and stepping back on our left leg. So on 1, we're pushing it, and 1. She's going back on her right foot. I'm going back on my left leg. So now what the arms are doing, we're getting these arms here, guys, and we are kind of opening up on 1. So on 1, we're stopping right here with our right elbow. So what we're doing, guys, I can turn so you can see. Okay, we go back on our left foot, and we're going, and 1. Now we're going to stop right here on 1 with the elbow out. If you want to do a full extension, guys, when you do a full extension, let's go ahead and keep our fingers here like this. We don't want to do any finger styling. That's more for the ladies. All right, but I personally prefer to kind of stop, boom, right here on 1. Now for you ladies, what you're doing, when you go back on your 1 count, okay, you're doing our elbow, wrist, finger technique that we taught. So your count is going to be 8 and 1, elbow, wrist, fingers. So watch Katie on that 1 count, okay? So we go 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. She finishes that styling on 1. So if you look at our position, okay, my left hand is fully outstretched, okay? My right hand elbow, I'm stopping right here. And Katie has both of her hands outstretched with her left hand doing that arm styling. All right, so let's try that again from the top. Here we go. Let's do 1 basic together. And basic. All right, crossbody lead. Here we go. And let's stop at 7, 2, 3, and stop right here. So we have our arms up, we're ready to do that styling. Let's do an open break and stop at 1. So ladies, you're going 8 and 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, and stop. Good, so that's your 1 count. Let's do it again, okay? Katie and I are gonna switch positions, but you guys can stay in the same area if you want. Here we go. Right into a crossbody lead, and cross body lead all the way through to 1, 5, 6, ready, and stop. All right, so that's your 1 count. All right, so let's go ahead and move on from here, okay? After we do that 1 count, and we're kind of just teaching that open break arm style. You can kind of finish any way you want. We're just going to finish the step with a turn style. All right, so let's do it together from the very top. Give me that crossbody lead, and let's stop at 1. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and stop. All right, so after we have this open break, all right, guys, you're gonna go forward on your right, girls forward on your left. We're just gonna pull her towards us into that turnstile. Ready? And 2, 3, and spin her out, okay? But once again, you can finish a step any way you want. We're just gonna use that turnstile to finish this open break. All right, so let's do it again from the very top. We're gonna do all the way through the open break, the styling, and then finish with a turnstile or whichever way you guys want to. 5, 6, go. And a 1, 2, 3. Ready, here we go. And a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, basic, forward, and back. All right, so let's do the whole thing a couple times. We're gonna give you 2 of them from this angle here, and then we're gonna switch angles and give you 2 more, okay? You guys can stay in the same position if you want. 5, 6, basic, ready, go. Cross body lead, open break, arm styling. 2, 3, ready, open up. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, and basic step. Again, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, ready, open up. 1, and 5, 6, 7, basic. Okay, we're gonna do a cross body lead. 1, 5, 6, 7. All right, 2 more times. Here we go. And cross body lead. Open break and hit. 5, 6, 7, forward. Last time, cross body lead. 1, ready, open break, hit, and 5, 6, 7, 1, and stop right here. Booyah! Good job, Katie Bowen.
Thank you.
All right, good job, guys. So that was your open break. That's a good kind of move to do when you want to kind of do it if you're performing or just kind of doing a nice show. All right, so thanks a lot, and we will see you next time.